If you ever want to have a file that's always available to you, no matter what other files you open. So for example, I have this one, monthly profit and loss, that's always available at the top of my list. You need to pin that file. This is in Excel 2013. It works a little differently in Excel 365. Basically, what you do is you go to your file listing. So I'm just going to click on a file to make sure I've selected this listing. And then you can see as I hover my mouse over each file that on the right-hand side here, there's a little pin mark. That's supposed to be, I think, a thumbtack. If you click on that, see where it says pin this item to the list, that will pin the file. In Excel 2013, it goes to the top of the list. In Excel 365, as it exists in January 2023, it goes to the pinned tab. But both do the same thing. They put this file aside so you can always access it easily. And if you ever find that you pinned a file you don't want, just go over here and click on the pin again, and that will unpin it.